Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I have the one and only Davinci J15. What's up, Davinci?
I'm doing all right. How you doing?
I'm doing good. We were just at a conference in Dubai. It was awesome, and just wanted to do a quick video with you because Bitcoin, it's at a critical resistance. So I wanted to get your opinion on Bitcoin. But guys, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is just our personal opinion only. Bitcoin can do anything. So this is just RTA. So do you want to jump into the chart for Bitcoin?
Yeah, sure. Let's take a look.
All right, let's have a Before we continue with the video, I also wanted to mention that I added some of the best bits between me and Davinci in the conference. We talked about some very, very interesting stuff. So make sure to watch until the end of this video. And also, please forgive me about the noise, background noise from the wind. It was a bit annoying, but it goes away after a while. So make sure to continue with the video and watch until the end. This is the current chart for Bitcoin. This is the daily chart. And as you can see, we just had a parabolic SAR sell on the daily. But what do you see, Davinci?
Well, you can see that the support level was just a wick down. We broke through, and now we're coming back up. So it's interesting to see that. Maybe we can hold that support level and come back up. I don't know. I don't think so, because it really indicates that, hey, you know what? There's a clear M pattern.
Yeah. If we come back up to this resistance here, to 24K, that would be a double top if we don't break through, and we could come down all the way here to form a head and shoulders pattern. So yeah, that's what I personally think too. But Davinci, also, what do you think on AI tokens right now? What do you think on AI tokens? Because they're pumping like crazy. So what's your opinion?
Yeah, they did extremely well. A lot of AI tokens, but I think that that's the end of the temporary bull run. There's going to be probably another one later on in the cycle. So make sure that you get some AI tokens when they come back down. Yeah. One of the good ones were Singularity.
Singularity,
right?
right?
My goodness, that did amazing. That was like 1,300%. Wow.
That's crazy. Also, I think this is like the metaverse FOMO, like everything that had metaverse in it was pumping when the metaverse stuff was coming out. So be careful out there, guys. But thank you, Davinci, for joining.
Cheers.
I know he has to go. I took him in a little bit of a tight spot, but thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So take care and bye-bye.
Peace.
You know, Davinci, he explains stuff like so well, and it's crazy. So we were at a conference in Turkey. And by the way, we're raising awareness in Turkey. Please do keep it in your prayers. So I asked him, can you tell me why Bitcoin is so revolutionary? And you told me the story of Nikola Tesla. So maybe you could talk about that.
The Nikola Tesla, right? So what the story I told different stories about that. One of them is the fact that Nikola Tesla, he invented a system of electricity that allowed people to have electricity for free. There was no way to put a meter on it, really. And so JP Morgan actually had the patent on that.
No way.
Yes, and he paid him for it, right? So he pulled the plug on that because he realized that, hey, wait a second here, I'm not going to be able to make any money off of this. And oil is better because, you know what? There's so many. Because when you have money that's printed, if we don't find a use for it, the value goes down. So if we don't find more and more use cases for money, right, people using money, then the value will go down. So if you innovate and provide less use of any kind of asset, that, for example, oil, we don't have to use oil anymore. Nobody has to buy electricity. That means you'll have more money, and that means you'll have the value of that money will drop because you'll be able to pay for spend it on something else, like for example, more cars, more stuff, and you'll see the prices go higher. So it destroys the value of money. So that's why they always have to have more stuff to get us more stuff for us to buy, to get us interested in it. That's why partially the banks are happy about NFTs.
That's why they're still around.
Yes, exactly. They're not going to fight against that because there's lots more stuff that you can spend your money on.
The banks don't have
the banks don't want, they don't have the money. Whenever you deposit money into the bank, they don't have it. It's not yours. You're just a liability on their balance sheet. And they try as hard as possible because it's actually their money when you deposit it in your account. It belongs to them. They spend it any way they want. And they don't lend it out to somebody else. No. That's just their spending money. Right? And so they have rules, but those rules have been changed so many times, right? So for example, it used to be they have to have 10% of the money that you deposited available, right? But now that's dropped to zero. As of March 2020, they have zero reserve requirements. So where did they they get the money to loan people, right? If you don't know, hopefully you know this by now, they get the money to loan people, not from other people depositing in their account, dude. If they did that, they'd be,
bank, right?
yeah, it's from the central bank, but effectively they create it out of nothing, right, to loan it to you. So you're signing on the dotted line creates the money. When you pay it off, you destroy the money. So that's why they say if they use the money that you deposited to loans, there would be no money because all the money would go away as people paid off their debts. So people can't pay off their debts, well, so there would be no money in this world. That's how our system